Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Breaking news bafethu, istriker se-Kaizer Chiefs uSilva bamselekthile laphana ku-national team yakhe ukuthi orepresenta iGuinea Bissau because bayi-recognize i-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi naye bayam-recognize ukuthi wenza kahle kakhulu. Imagine lo mdlalo lona is not even guaranteed ukuthi uzodlala amagame, akasiyi-starter but-ke njalo uma ethola i-opportunity yokudlala uyabonisa ukuthi u-hungry for i-Kaizer Chiefs nokushaya amagoli. For the longest time i-Kaizer Chiefs ilokhu iyazama ukusayina ama-players or especially laphana ama-strike ukuthi azoqeda iy'nkinga zokushaywa kwamagoli but-ke awadilivanga ama-strikers amaningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kuba nomsindo omkhulu but-ke ama-headlines awekho, kuba ne-hype engekho, i-striker zihluleke ukuwuphruva but uSilva kubonakala ngathi uzoyiqeda nya i-drought yaku-Kaizer Chiefs yokushaya amagoli because isikhathi esiningi is coming from the bench but uyakwazi ukushaya amagoli because uyakwazi ukuphositiona right laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean njengoba bengishilo ukuthi akathola ama-opportunities amaningi but-ke uyakwazi ukusebenzisa ama-opportunities lawa awatholayo for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I-strike, the main important striker would be istrike eshaya amagoli. Unfortunately eSouth Africa bengishilo previous clip ukuthi bafuna ukuthi ube fancy. uSilva nawo ama-qualities wakhe, uyakwazi ukuyi-read-a kahle igame, uyakwazi uku-adapter laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi-ke njengoba bashaya lento yabo yoku-rotate uma ubabukele baya le nale, uSilva ufuneka laphana ebhokisini ukuthi azoshaya amagoli. Into ebaluleke kakhulu ukuthi uSilva ulambile for amagoli after uya-understand i-hype yase-South Africa nanokuthi kuminani ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, the most important thing amagoli. So abanye, I don't think abanye baya-understand ukuthi kuminani ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, you just have to deliver, that's it. Into eyenza istriker sibe ngcono, I mean technically simenza ukuthi sibe ngcono i-timing yakhe, ama-runs wakhe, i-calmness ku-finishing yakhe, i-confidence obviously iyakhula game by game njengoba uSilva ewashaya amagoli for i-Kaizer Chiefs and washaya off the bench. Cabanga, coming from the bench, I think from the bench ekashaya 4 goals, 3 goals. Yes, 3 goals from the bench, imagine. So akusiyi player nje elizama ukuprova laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi liyabhilonga but iplayer elaziyo ukuthi liyabhilonga ku-Kaizer Chiefs and manje i-national team yakhe iseyimnothisile. I mean i-national team call up akusiyinto encane bafethu, into e-serious and into enkulu ukuthi nationally or e-countryni yakho abakubizi because of ne-potential, bakubiza ngoba bayabona ukuthi uyi-final product, uzokwazi ukubasiza as i-team. uSilva well deserved bafowethu ukuthi bamselekte laphana. Imagine if i-player alikakadlali, abakamthembi ku-Kaizer Chiefs that much but-ke bayazi ukuthi ubanikani coming from the bench. So umbuzo omkhulu-ke manje uthi ubani okumele aqale ku-Kaizer Chiefs? uSilva wenza kahle kakhulu coming from the bench. Okwamanje they have to keep starting abanye and then Silva comes from the bench because umlingo wakho ngathi ubuye ebhenchini because maybe mangadlala igame yonke akakwazi ukuba yi-super sub, asazi, is not tested kakhulu. So mekwazi mekazokwazi ukuqala ama-game sobona ukuthi i-engine yakhe ihamba kanjani or uba nomfutho mengene ngama-last minute ukuthi akwazi ukushaya ama-goals because khona abantu abadume nje kudala, uthole ukuthi bebadume ngokuthi ama-super sub nje kuphela. That is why igama lakhona la for uma kuthiwa ama-super sub. Khona umuntu ongakwazi ukudlala igame yonke but-ke mthole second half abantu sebathe ukukhathala abanye or but-ke uzongena washaya amagoli whether bakhathele or abakhathelanga but-ke there's something about yena. Ngikhulume ngoGerard Sibeko, imanager already ku-Kaizer Chiefs nayo beyikhuluma indaba yokuthi uSilva i-position yakhe mabangayibona abantu bazomangala. Quote on quote ejimini, ukuthi ejimini ushaya amagoli kangakanani then uzipositiona kangakanani, uzithola kuma-position kanjani, so uyakwazi uku-maximize kuma-opportunities awatholayo. I-Kaizer Chiefs ine-striker-ke bafowethu eziningi this season, ziwu-8 or ziwu-7. Ubani okumele aqale ku-Kaizer Chiefs? For me, I think uSilva has proven ukuthi uyi-fight, uyi-war. I keep giving him yabona njengoba bamfaka ngabo uma-last 10 minutes manje baqala umfaka last 15 minutes sibone and then bamfake last 20 minutes because u-hungry from the bench. But-ke in fact laba abaqalayo abanye, khona abanye in a long run kumele baba-replace phela uma bangenzi lutho because if unomuntu ozipruvayo week in week out ukuthi uyakwazi ukuwashaya amagoli from the bench and ngabe sekana even naku-continental level which is i-CAF Confederations Cup, ngikhumbula abadlala ne-Cabo Scope, Silva wangena second half lapha ngama-last minutes wathola ama-2 golden opportunities. I mean that speaks volume ukuthi uyakwazi ukuzipositiona kahle uyakwazi ngempela ukulokhunjana bafowethu uzithola kahle laphana ebhokisini. Noma umthola ebhokisini uzokulimaza ngempela, uzokwazi ukuwashaya amagoli. So, yeah, sobona. Sobona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izo-decide ukuthi izoqala bani. But ama-runs wakhe a-good, ama-simple, yabona masibheka ama-qualities wakhe, ama-runs wakhe a-good, like usimple uSilva, aka-complicate izinto ukuthi ufuna ukushayina, ufuna ukwenza into e-fancy, no, 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 akunama-complications, u-direct, ufuna ukuthi umskorele ibhola lihede. Ungichazele the last game mengena, I think the last game or afuna ukuthi bamskorele ibhola immediately because bekavulile, and then okwazile futhi ushaya igoli, after mashaya igoli wathola elinye ibhola ngekhanda walishaya laphumela ngaphandle. Could have easily scored 2 goals kuleya game leya yangena e-second half, but it shows ukuthi i-positioning yakhe into e-good kakhulu. I think local strikers isikhathi esiningi uthola ukuthi i-striker esi-good but i-positioning yakhe i-bad. So uSilva umastara leyo nto leyo, uthola ukuthi amanye ama-strikers lawa esithi thina afensa right but bayahluleka ukumasta i-position. Yena uyazazi ukuthi kumele abe kuphi, ama-player wakhe mebamba ibhola akumelanga abe kuphi. So aka-complicate izinto loya muntu loyo. But I would go back to this thing. USilva, I was not convinced ngoSilva cause vele sijaje umuntu based on trapping yakhe, ukuthi u-comfortable ebholeni, zonke lezo zinto lezo. But-ke me tracking back, I would say ulethelwe ukushaya ama-goals ku-Kaizer Chiefs, akudingeki ukuthi abe fancy, akudingeki ukuthi enzeni, ashaya ama-goals. So congratulations kuSilva bafowethu ukuthi akwazi ukuselekthwa laphana ku-national team yakhe. I-consistency yakhe amagoli ngeke um-ignore umuntu owashayayo amagoli ophefomayo bafowethu. Ama-performances wakhe, ama-numbers wakhe laphana abaluleke kakhulu. USilva uyasebenza, yeah. Well, uyazi-select in a way, like ama-record wakhe ayakukhulumela, wena uyazi-select, uyazibiza ku-national team bafowethu, to be fair. In fact ngithi uphakamisa isandla ukuthi bakubone, and then ama-coach awakubizi, ama-fans awakubizi. Wena kuma-lineups lawa uma uthole i-opportunity ukuthi udlale kula uphefoma khona. But-ke e-South Africa siyazi kunamapolitiki wakhona, ungaphefoma kahle still bangakubizi. Silva already ku-Kaizer Chiefs una-4 goals in 7 matches, and ama-match amaningi akawadlala, badlale 16 games but udlale yena I think 7 games kuphela. Amanye futhi he comes from the bench kuleyo 7 games la ayidlalile, hayi ukuthi uwaqalile ama-match. So yeah, congratulations to Silva bafethu, aqhubeke. Asiqhubekeni ngento kaSolomon Kalou because bekhuluma ne-SABC ne-SuperSport laphana bekuyini konje leya nto, ngizoyikhumbula ukuthi bekuyini. Uphinde wabuza ukuthi hawu laphana eNaturene Village bekayaphi. Hhayi, qhubekile bafowethu, umfethu wathi akakholwanga into ayibonile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthe i-Kaizer Chiefs Village laphana eNaturene has one of the best facilities in the world bafowethu. Cabanga, usho ukuthi ama-facilities walaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ayakhompyutha nama-facilities wo-Chelsea, because lo muntu lo udlalela i-Chelsea. Makathi one of the best facilities in the world, kusho ukuthi i-facility, what Kaizer Motaung built laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu into e-strong kakhulu. Uthe uyawisha ukuthi amanye ama-African countries bafethu angaba nama-facilities akanje. Uthi umotivated naye ngoba u-run i-foundation or i-academy ukuthi abhilde into e-close to leya into ekanje e-Africa. It's unbelievable ngempela. USolomon Kalou bafethu udlalela i-Chelsea, uwine i-Champions League, udlale international e-Ivory Coast, wawina i-Africa Cup of Nations, ko-Champions League. So akusiwo umuntu nje o-random ozo-analyze mhlampe online, no, umuntu oyaziyo igame, umuntu otravelile umhlaba. Methi ama-infrastructure laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs a-world class ngempela. And siya-understand i-weight of i-statement sakhe ukuthi ku-African football vele we suffer not from a lack of talent, but infrastructure ne-consistency ne-long term football identity, ukuplana ukuthi okay bazojimelaphi laba, ama-facilities kumele abe njani ukuthi mentally ama-player abe right. So i-Kaizer Chiefs Village bafowethu i-representa into e-rare Africa, baku-standard sakuma-Europeans. So I mean i-foundation ye-Kaizer Chiefs ne-identity yabo ukuthi they are one of the best teams in the world in terms of ama-facilities and what they've built for bona. But yeah, yonke lento yaqala ngo-Dr. Kaizer Motaung bafowethu was it 1969 me decide ukubuya e-South Africa. ezobuilda i-village, ezobuilda i-team, starte from scratch, ayekele iy'mali eyi-serious. Yeah, but i-environment yabo i-benefit-a abantu abaningi, even nabantu ababuya ko-Europe, oSilva. USilva udlale e-Europe, Portugal, even o-Inacio Miguel badlale no, no, yeah, Portugal, Romania nakwamanye ama-teams. That is why even mabasayina abantu baningi o-Chesleti bayakwazi ukuba right kulama-situations lawa waku-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi this is close to what I'm used to ukujima laphana kuma-facilities nanokuthi ba-professional kangakanani. Le nto le i-benefit-a, I think i-Kaizer Chiefs kuba nama-world class facilities if-benefit-a obviously i-Kaizer Chiefs greatly, but-ke khona amanye ama-teams anokucela. I remember i-Al Ahly ke yakhempa laphana e-Village izodlala ne-Mamelodi Sundowns ku-CAF Champions League. So even namanye ama-country wase-Afrika ayacela ukuthi abe lapha kwe-Naturena, because ayazi ukuthi ama-facilities wabo possibly the best on the continent. Yeah, i-Kaizer Chiefs akusiyo i-club e-broken, but i-club eku-transition, enama-infrastructure ama-facilities a-right, but-ke naba nabanye oSilva bayasukuma bafowethu. Cela simuveni kwezinye bafowethu. Umbekezeli Mbokazi we-Orlando Pirates bamfayine noma kumele akhiphe over 100,000. Cabanga, hhayi udoti, i-CAF udoti. Yazi i-CAF ama-incident abaningi abhedayo sike sawabona. Ayi, but wait, bekungasiyo i-CAF, bekuyi-FIFA, yeah, bekuyi-FIFA, akusiyo i-CAF, sengicishe ngenza iphutha. That is why bekuyi-FIFA bafowethu, yeah. I-CAF I think babazokwazi ukuyi-ignore because CAF football sinokubona izinto ey'thusayo. So umbekezeli Mbokazi ifayini yakhe bafethu ufayinwe yi-FIFA for unsporting behavior. So he got emotional, but at the same time we can say iplayer laseZimbabwe kuleya match lela yilo belimprovoke bafethu naye wa-reactor. So why bangalifayinanga lela player leli, noma kuthiwa balifayine half of what Mbokazi what they fined uMbokazi because wathola i-red card laphana. But yeah, I mean, it was not a harmful challenge ukuthi career ending whatever, just nje uku-reactor kwakhe, but esho ukuthi umfine over 100,000. Sobona ukuthi le mali izophuma phi, maybe kuzo-negotiator, kuzokhipha isafu ezoyikhipha. Asazi noma yena bazofuna ukuthi ayikhiphe direct or isafu izokhipha kuma-bonuses wakhe because bazowathola. Even namanje bathola ama-bonuses from u-government, u-Gayton Mackenzie. Sobona ukuthi kuzokwenzakala ngempela, but-ke hard luck to uMbokazi. Imali engaka bafowethu, 100,000, hhayi imali e-serious phela leyo bafowethu, naye uzoyibheka le 100,000 asho ukuthi bayangibhedela-ke la bantu. So I wanna mention enye into bafowethu, uNdlondlo bekuyiplayer le-Orlando Pirates, bekayi-free agent that time, yadlala yini le team le, iBafana Bafana le beyidlala ku-10 laphana e-East Africa, washaya igoli elihle kakhulu. So lelo goli lelo selinominate-we for one of the best goals of the year ku-2025 laphana kuma-CAF Awards. So let's give him ama-flowers wakhe bafowethu ngokuthi bamnominate-ile for igoli elihle. Hhayi lihle ngempela lela goli leli. So I wouldn't say i-technique yakhe plus i-confidence ukuthi ashaye from i-distance laphana nale kune-player futhi belingakwazi ukuliheda, but-ke nje precision and everything about ukushaya lela bhola lela, ushaya igoli elihle kakhulu bafowethu. I think for me li-memorable. I wish bekalishaya ku-grand stage like ku-A team yeBafana Bafana. Unfortunately-ke lapho akekho, but-ke it was i-B or C team yeBafana Bafana leya ku-10 kuma-players kuma-free agent, but ushaya igoli elihle kakhulu. I mean, it shows i-creativity anayo uNdlondlo, nanokuthi is unpredictable, ngeke wazi ukuthi uzokunikani, une-flair ebaluleke kakhulu. I mean, he was one of the most exciting players before aya ku-Orlando Pirates. Ibhola lase-South Africa ibekashisa kakhulu that time, ama-team amaningi bawamfuna, but yena wachuza ukuya ku-Orlando Pirates. So I think kuma-30s manje, I don't think usazomuva kwamanye ama-big teams, but I think igoli lakhe nje statement esi-strong ukuthi abantu bangambheka, even like labantu laba bebamdawutha, bangambheka ukuthi there's something there, angayinika something, any team angayidlalela angayinika something. At the moment siyazi ukuthi laphana kuma-Rumo Gallants, already kuma-Rumo Gallants sekanama-man of the match, sekanamagoli, uyakwazi uku-contribute-a kahle for i-team kwi-season nje going forward. So ukuthi bam-ede laphana nguMarumo Gallants abuyele kuMarumo, into enkulu kakhulu. They showing i-trust ukuthi okay, you are our former player, but-ke sokubuyisa ekhaya cause siyabona ukuthi there's something special about yena. Sobona nje meqhubeka isizini ukuthi uzodlala kanjani, but-ke ama-man of the match awatholile, uthola ama-man of the match awungaki, awu-2 laphana uKhalling. UKhalling kusho ukuthi yana-200,000 nje. Ayikhange ngamafosholo ndlondlo le mali le, kule competition le eKhalling. But yeah, a good thing for yena. I think le goal leli ukuthi bayakwazi ukumnominate ku-CAF belizokwazi ukumbeka le phezulu bafethu esicongweni, ukuthi abantu abaningi bakwazi ukumnothisa ibhola lakhe, and then azimakethe kangcono. I think bekazokwazi ukuthola i-team ebigger than iMarumo Gallants, even overseas or abroad nje, maybe North Africa, athole i-contract enkulu engcono. But-ke yena uchoose iMarumo Gallants. Maybe uchoose before zonke lezi zinto lezi, or before abantu bamnothise, or usayine before ahamba, because of I mean it makes no, well, ngingasho ukuthi it makes no sense ukuthi asayine neMarumo Gallants, but-ke bekangakwazi ukuthola i-team better and greater than iMarumo Gallants, to be honest bafowethu, because of i-pedigree yakhe and how he announced himself laphana he was Tanzania, Uganda, in Kenya la bebadlalela khona, because i-CHAN bebayihoste kuma-countries awu-3 are different. Yeah, are different awu-3. So yeah, but good luck to him. Esithemba ukuthi-ke uzokwazi ukunegotiate i-dream move ayifunayo, if like usafuna ukuya kwamanye ama-teams angathi makhulu, but esho iminyaka bafowethu, iminyaka nje stop ama-player amaningi ukuthi amuve. But yeah, yena is a good player. Yeah, Orlando Pirates watholile ama-opportunities wakhe, but-ke it was not meant to be ukuthi ahlale isikhathi eside, because sibonile last season ama-opportunities wakhe limited. He's not a bad player, but it's a game of football. Cela ukuyibamba la kwamanje bafethu. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa, if ukwazile ukufika la ekugcineni, like, subscribe, ucommente noma yini, because you love the content. Ingakho ukwazi uku-engage nokulalela uzofike la ngasemaphethelweni. But before ngiyivala, I wanna go to history Kaizer Chiefs kancane. uBukenya, i-young star lase-Uganda. Kekho umuntu wayekholwa ukuthi umfethu una-21 at the time. That time ilaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Waspenda 3 seasons ku-Kaizer Chiefs under uStuart Baxter. But-ke akaze azi-establishe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs as a formidable force, ukuthi uzokwazi ukuba one of the leaders e-Kaizer Chiefs, especially bakufika uSteve Komphela. Azange ngempela ambone as a player angabhilda around lona. Bamyekela-ke wahamba. After lo, I think waye India, waya kuphi udlalile kuma-teams are-different after i-Kaizer Chiefs. But for me, I was not sold. Mangimbukela, he was not a bad footballer, bekathanda ukulihold ibhola, ukulibamba, ukulitrapha libe sey'nyaweni. But yeah, he was not a good footballer nje. Beka-slow according to itempo yegame ye-Kaizer Chiefs, especially that time Kaizer Chiefs beyishisa ngempela. But-ke yena bekangafithi kule system ye-Kaizer Chiefs, la bekumele abe fast khona. Bekadlala i-midfield, uyakwazi ukudropha deep, amake isikhathi esiningi, but bowunokumbona kuma-advanced positions, but-ke was not a player i-Kaizer Chiefs elingaba yi-success ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Mebuzwa-ke ukuthi why angadlalanga amagame amaningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uthi akazi ukuthi why engadlalanga amagame amaningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uthi izinto zenzeke the way ezenzeke ngakhona because of i-life, impilo, uthi maybe was supposed to go through that phase of impilo yakhe. Into nje uthi angayisho ukuthi waya laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and then mehamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs he was a better player mehamba. So uthi better ngoba ku-Kaizer Chiefs ufunde into ey'ningi and a different aspects of igame yakhe ya-improve after ukuhamba kwakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs, or meshiya i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi-ke after ku-Kaizer Chiefs waba ne-balance ku-defending naku-attack, ne-technical awareness yakhe ya-improve. Yeah, uthi noma aya laphana ku-national team yakhe kube kubonakala ukuthi use-improvile. Yeah, I don't know bafethu, niyamkhumbula ku-Kaizer Chiefs? Do you rate him as i-legend le-Kaizer Chiefs? Nanokuthi nimkhumbula kanjani uBukenya, abantu abambukela? Angikhulumi ngabantu because it was more than 10 years ago mefika laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but I remember ibhazi kuthiwa uyi-young star.